Pumapasok po kami ng walang baon. Natutulog na lang po ako sa bahay para makalimutan ng gutom.
Lawang Northern Samar, a land of beauty, bounty, and a hidden struggle. Beneath the surface of this vibrant landscape, a silent crisis threatens the future of our children.
Every day, 95 children in the Philippines die from malnutrition. 27 of 1,000 Filipino children do not get past their 5th birthday. A third of Filipino children are stunted or short for their age. Hunger is one of the extreme effects of poverty in the Philippines. With little money to buy food, Filipinos are having to survive on very limited food. Even when food supplies are stable, they are most accessible in other areas where people have enough income to purchase the food. Poverty is the number one cause of malnutrition in developing countries. Did you know what is malnutrition? Malnutrition.
But hope remains across Lawang Northern Samar. Communities are uniting to fight back. Organizations are working tirelessly to provide access to nutritious foods, education, and healthcare.